My partner educated me to see who it was. So that's on main stage in Queensland from 10:06 onwards.
Oh, Grandma, sorry. Well, that was good. It'll make you young.
Okay, now we do the procedure. What we're here for.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
As unusual, the Mayor and Mayoress of Nuneaton and the Civic Party are going to walk along the front of the people here, of all you. So please welcome.
Good evening, how are we? Alright. You okay? Good evening, yeah, I'm good. How are you? Yeah, I do. You okay? Good evening. Who wants high five? Who's strong? Whose hand is not cold? Good evening.
I can see. What can you say? The Christmas tree is I'm not mentioning anything about the walking part. That's close enough. Loving the
Wait, we're downstairs! What?
Renee, can you see the dog? Renee, can you see the dog?
He looks exactly like in the green. Not stand there!
Stuff. Well, that's good then, because that's exactly what we're going to do. I think, has anybody been to the Christmas lights in Nuneaton before? Give us a shout. In that case, that's great, you'll know what we're going to do. Now this evening we've got everybody with us. We have got walking Christmas trees. We have got Mr. Snowman. We have got Santa Claus. We have got the leader of the council. We've got our local MP.
Good evening, Nuneaton. I think we can do better than this. Good evening, Nuneaton. That's better. It's so wonderful to be here. It's so wonderful to see so many of you here, especially our children, our parents, our all communities coming together, and everyone is standing out there. It's lovely to see you all.
What? That's what I said.
Now it's going to be firework time. Here, you hold the fast. Right, are you going to wear your ear?
3, 2, 1, forward!
Rocking around Christmas tree at the Christmas.
Give them a big cheer, please.
Nuts भनेको त नरहेछ
You want fish and chips, sir? Yes, please.
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The words that I am, I was ashamed. Things that even I